Do 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 do. So these ball valves coming off the pump are a necessity. It makes it a lot easier when you're trying to prime a pump. If you have pressure to build against, I usually fill the pump up with water, close this all the way, turn the jet pump on, and as it builds pressure, the pressure switch will click, 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 click. And then I know, okay, she's building pressure, it's working. Then I slowly crack the ball valve to feed the tank and build pressure that way. If you didn't have the ball valve in there and you just turn the pump on, sometimes they'll actually lose prime right away because they're pushing more than they can pull. What I'm going to do now is try and bleed some water back from the house to fill it up. Nothing. All right, gotta get some water.